big one. Wasn't very far away. I just barely got the camera on and the old hammer hit. Saw it flash when I come out. I think it's looking south. I know it doesn't tell you much, but oh, there it is. That's about I can see the flash out of the south. It was about 3 seconds before she gave her sound. Let's see if we can get some more out of this thing. It's good timing. Good timing on the camera. Well, as you can see, looking due south is blue skies. Looking south-southwest, you got that big cloud there. There's supposed to be a 30% chance of rain, and we got 30% of rain. So good call. Oh, there it is. Here it goes. Yeah, baby. Bring it on. Yeah, really good stuff unless it starts a fire. And then it isn't such good stuff. But we needed the rain. It's been very hot. Well, hot here is 90, 95. It gets hotter than that. We'll give it another few seconds and see if we can get another blast out of it before I shut this down. And over there is Canada, in that opening right there. How many places can you say you can look into another country? There's a distant rumble coming. Okay, well, I think you got the essence of that. Please subscribe. Over and out.